A hiring manager will not read your course certificates. They will open a folder and ask, can this person answer a real question with data? Tonight we build that folder. 5 projects, Python and SQL, one shop called lumen-mart. You are the first analyst they hired. The data is messy. The questions are human. Each project ends with one sentence a manager can use on Monday. If you skip that sentence, you have a notebook, not a portfolio. Picture 5 folders on a desk. Folder 1 is SQL sales. Folder 2 is a messy spreadsheet. Folder 3 is a KPI board. Folder 4 is a promo test. Folder 5 is who came back. We will walk them in that order because that is how a shop actually thinks. Why 5, not 15? A portfolio with 15 half-finished dashboards looks busy and empty. 5 finished questions look like a person who can be trusted with a table. Here is the rule that holds all 5 together. Start with a question. Name the tables. Show the move. Show the trap. So write the answer in one sentence. Project 1, the SQL sales story. lumen-mart sells tea, bread and soap. Last quarter they asked which category actually makes money after discounts. You do not answer that from a screenshot. You answer it from tables. 3 tables sit in the warehouse. Orders holds order id, date and customer id. Order items holds order id, product id, quantity, unit price and discount. Products holds product id and category. The grain lives in order items. That is the line that got sold. If you sum unit price and ignore quantity, you will lie with a straight face. Open a SQL window. We will join on purpose, not by habit. Type select category, then the money expression. Money is quantity times unit price minus discount. Sum that. Call it net sales. From order items, join products on product ed. Group by category. Order by net sales descending. Run it. The tea category might win. Soap might lose. Bread might sit in the middle. That rank table is the artifact, not a screenshot of 20 columns. After discounts, tea sales carried the quarter. Soap did not. The trap is a join that duplicates rows. If one order has 3 items and you join customers too early, you can triple the money. Count rows before the join. Count rows after. If the count explodes, your grain is wrong. Put this in GitHub as project 1 skull sales. Read me the query and the rank table. Project 2, the spreadsheet rescue. Monday, someone emails last month as an Excel file. It looks fine until you touch it. Read the file. Always print head, then shape, then types. Price came in as text with a dollar sign. City has blanks. Order it repeats. That file will break every chart you draw quietly. Strip the dollar sign. Turn price into a number. If a date fails, do not hide it. Count the failures. 2 rows with the same order ID and the same line. That is a copy paste, not 2 sales. Drop exact duplicates. 2 lines with the same order ID and different products are real. Keep them. Missing city. Do not drop the whole order because the city is blank. Fill unknown or leave it and say so in the rim. Print shape before, print shape after. That pair of numbers is the artifact. We started with 4,200 rows. After cleanup, we trusted 4,008. The trap is dropping empty cells on the whole frame. You will delete good sales because one optional column was empty. GitHub folder clean orders. Show the dirty row and the clean row side by side. Project 3, the KPI board. The owner does not want 14 charts. They want the week in 4 numbers. Revenue, order count, average order value, and the top 5 products. Average order value is revenue divided by orders. Say the long name once, then you can call it OV. Group by day. Sum revenue, count orders. Draw one bar chart for daily revenue. Title it, label the axis, stop. Then a small table of the top 5 products by net sales. The artifact is one picture and 4 numbers with a sentence under them. This week revenue was 82,000. Orders were 1,100. Average order value was 74. Top product was the jasmine tin. That is a story. 14 pie charts are not. The trap is a dashboard that makes the owner ask, so what? If you cannot say so what in one breath, you are not done. Project 4, the promo lift. Saturday they ran a flyer. Sunday they asked, did it work? You need a fair split: orders versus weekday orders, same month, same store. Average basket on Saturday and Sunday. Average basket on the other days. Draw two bars, write the sample size on each bar. The sample size matters more than the color. If weekend basket is 81 and weekday is 74, that is a lift of $7. Do not shout winner until you look at the sample. 12 weekend orders is a coin flip, not a test. If each side has a few hundred orders, you can say the flyer likely moved the basket. Weekend baskets ran about $7 higher on a few hundred orders each side. The trap is mixing the flyer weekend with a holiday weekend and calling it science. GitHub folder 4, promolif 2 bars. Sample size on the bars. One cautious sentence. Project 5 who came back. A shop lives on repeat customers. First, time buyers are expensive. Returners are the business. Take January buyers. How many of those people bought again in February? That is a 2-month retention number, simple. Hired. In school, pick distinct customer aid from January. That is the starting class. Left, join February buyers on customer aid. Count how many ads still matched. If January had 800 buyers and February saw 200 of them again, retention is 25%. In pandas, you can do the same with a merge. Same grain customers, not orders. If you count orders instead of people, a loyal customer with 6 strips will look like 6 people. The artifact is a tiny heat map. January class, February return, 1%. 1 in 4 January buyers came back in February. That is the number to move next month. The trap is starting the class in the last 3 days of January. Those people barely had time to return. Now the folder that holds the 5. Make a GitHub repo named lumen-mart-portfolio. 5 folders. Each folder has a readme that starts with the question, then the answer, then how to run it. Put the query or the notebook second, not first. A hiring manager reads the sentence first. Do not paste raw dumps. Show the dirty thing, the move, and the clean thing. If you use school, include the school file. If you use pandas, freeze the packages in a requirements file. Spell that file requirements text. One chart per project is enough. Name the picture after the question, not chart 1. Walk the 5 again as a hiring test in your head. Can you join without exploding the money? Can you clean a dollar sign without deleting the month? Can you report a week in 4 numbers? Can you talk about a promo without overclaiming? Can you tell repeat customers from repeat orders? If yes, you have a portfolio. If no, finish the week folder before you add a 6th. 5 folders, 5 sentences, 1 shop. The hiring manager will not remember your course list. They will remember whether the T category actually made the money.